Hello, Jeff Anderson here. These are the 360-degree views from the 70-acre lot. In the center of the frame is Bear Butte, which is about 18 air miles northeast from the 70 acres. We're panning northeast to east, and the road snaking up the hill is part of the subdivision with the 70 acres. Most of those lots have already been sold. We're now panning from east to south. As you can see, there are unobstructed views of the surrounding valleys and peaks. Most of the land you see is agricultural or state or federally owned land. Coming into view is Leeds, South Dakota, a sister city for Deadwood, South Dakota. It was the home of Homestake Gold Mine. Now cutting-edge neutrino research is being conducted over 5,000 feet below ground. The peak in the center of the frame is Deer Mountain, a ski resort. To the right, panning from south to west, is Terry Peak, which is also a ski resort. This is one of the elevator shaft buildings for the former Gold Stake mine in Leeds, South Dakota. This is the open pit mine in Leeds, South Dakota from the former Homestake mine. We're now scanning west to north. As you can see, the incredible 360-degree views continue unabated. Deadwood, South Dakota is now coming into view on the right side of the screen. Several publications have chosen Deadwood as the best small town in South Dakota. Deadwood has the distinction of being the only town in South Dakota in which legalized gambling has been decriminalized. Deadwood supports a vibrant community of restaurants, hotels, and tourist amenities. For more information, call me at 605-421-0306. This mountain sheep was up on the mountain on the 70 acres the day we recorded this video. Thank you for watching.